tama musubi. Ball knot. Again, we start with our V knot. This awabi knot size is depending on how big or how small you want to make a ball. This one at the moment, oops, 1.7 or so. And like Nanohana Canola flower knot, you make a fourth petal first, and then we are going to go along the existing cord inside. Let's make 4 petals about the same size. Then you put your finger in here and hold with the three fingers. Make a ball shape. I mean the not BALL, BOWL, ball shape. Then this one, the long one, go along the existing one. For example, here goes that way. It's a little bit too difficult to see, so you have to hold like this, not flat. Then here. Next one is from here to there, and then I'm going there. Here to here. Can you see? And don't hold it like that. Make a ball. This one means a BALL, sphere. Then along this cord, two together. Along this cord now. Then now here. The last one, mainly for the second round here. Let's do one more. Yeah, now. So we got make this opening smaller so that keep the shape of the ball BAL. Make the hole smaller, then follow here. Okay, third round. Maybe one more for this side. Fourth one. The size depends on how big the first awaji knot is, and also the thickness of the mizuhiki cord. Some of the mizuhiki cord, this one actually they are very fat, thick. Some of them are very small, so it depends. Let's cut the tape. So here 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So it's cut here. And push in the end once and a bit. So for here, so this one, push back a little bit. Actually, take it out and cut here and push it in. Cut here. And push it in. Oh. So this is tama musubi ball knot, and I have just realized this side is okay, but the other side is probably too small for the ear necklace. It depends how you are gonna use it. Anyway, this is tama musubi. Tama ball.